going to show you guys how I make the little glycerin mix easy color drops. I messed up the video, so yeah, telling you that, guys, ahead of time. I'm using this black for the first time in these because I just finally ran out of the black. So just open up these little things, and my hands are gonna keep coming out of view because I suck at these, so that's why I don't make the videos much, but I'll get better, hopefully. So yeah, I have those little stirs, coffee stirs, and I basically just take 2 little scoops and put it inside the little drop containers, which I totally come out of view, like I said. So yeah, I forgot about the recording. I just started doing. So I like to get to know you. There's some things I like to show you, but it's probably a bad idea. I like to get to know you. There's some things I like to show you, but it's probably a bad idea. 2 little scoops, and I usually just do like 10 drops of water, but with the black, since I did do 2 scoops because black is harder to achieve, I usually just use 1 little scoop. I ended up doing 20 drops of hot distilled water, just to break up all this. Since Eazy Colours are water soluble, it's just much easier to break up all the little clumps with some hot water in the bottom. So yeah, 20 drops of water in the black, only because because black I use 2 scoops. I usually use 1 out of all the other colors. So then I just fill up the rest of the bottle with the glycerin to make nice thick drops, which maybe I'll make a soap and I'll show you guys how I use the black. I'll make like a tie-dye or something. Yeah, so that's it. You just put the little dropper part back in, cap it back, and shake it up, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That makes it for you. You'll see I'll make some little, put a couple drops in this hot water as well, so you could see it. Pretty black. I assume this will work for bath bombs too. I have not mastered bath bombs, so I don't see why they wouldn't work like this, but yeah, they work for my soap. I use it for my soaps like this, my melt and pores. Probably a bad idea.